Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Fenix 8 Solar, and I'm gonna show you how to track the amount of steps taken on this watch. First, we need to open the glances on our watch, and to open glances, you need to press the down button on the home screen on the watch face. It will open the list of different glances. I would call them widgets, but Garmin calls them differently. And basically, here you need to look for the step glance. If it's not here, we need to press and hold the middle button. It will open this menu. Here we need to scroll down, tap on Add Glance, and then scroll down and look for steps. Once you find these steps, you can press the start button to add them, and then you can go back. And now, if you scroll all the way down, you will see the steps right here, and you can tap on them to see more detailed information. Okay, you can also check the amount of steps taken in the Garmin Connect application if your watch is paired with your phone. So we can move this to the side, bring the phone that is paired with our watch, and on the phone that is paired with our watch, we can open the Garmin Connect, or not Connect, but Garmin, Garmin Connect, what am I saying? Garmin Connect application. So let me unlock the screen on our phone, open the Garmin Connect, and here we have the home page. Now we can scroll through this page, I believe, and look for steps, but I don't see it. So if you don't see it, you can tap on More, right here, and then I believe Activities, and here we should see steps. And right here we have information about the steps, and we have like more detailed information, like 7 days, 4 weeks, a year even. You can check your yearly progression, and you can also tap on more options right here and tap on Edit Goal if you want to change the goal for your steps. And then you can of course tap on Save. And once you're done checking, you can close the application, and that's how you track the amount of steps taken on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.